Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Thursday, February 20th of 2020. And here are our morning announcements for today. Boys and girls, just a reminder, if you still have World's Finest Chocolate, please make sure you turn that in as soon as possible. And our math club and yearbook club are meeting after school today. There is no February birthdays to announce for today. And our lunch choices would be orange chicken with brown rice, pretzel with cheese, or ham and cheese sandwich. And today our paws are brought to you by Mr. Z's first grade students. Alright, boys and girls, today I have 3 students from first grade in Mr. Z's class to go through some positive expectations that you should be following. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. Alright, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and everyone have a wonderful day today. Remember to try your best and do your best paws. Have a wonderful day.